Nice. All right, about to hop in my guy Nima's street car. Oh yeah, this is super street.
That's a piece of shit. That seat is buried. It's safe, but it's
It'll work.
bam.
It'll work. Nice.
What's up, my guy?
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Spicy.
Man. I'm trying to come in like a little backwards, but I don't think I have enough forward bite for it. My tires aren't grippy enough to push me out of it.
Yes, sir.
A little better.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. That was a good one. That was a good one. Hell yeah. Running tandems.
You guys all want to go? Yeah.
Dog went four-wheeling. Oh my god.
I'll be last. Yeah.
camera car over here. There goes that tire. Never a good sound.
I think we need the tire. Yeah, you DB'd it, I think.
got your use out of those.
Oh yeah, it's alright.
Success.
Success.
Thanks for the ride, my guy.
Okay, man.
Make sure you
Thanks
guys
for
go follow Nima Voss on Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you,
Trying to
boy.
get sponsored.
Yes, sir.
That's cool.
Okay. Nice. That's how they're supposed to look.
So that was the ride along with the homie Nima. Shout out to him. Make sure you guys go check him out, follow him. I'm not positive what's done to the BMW. I know he was saying that he did something with the gears. I think that the motor's pretty much stock for the most part, but I'm not positive. So you guys are gonna have to go over to his page, check it out, and ask him questions about all the mods and shit, because I don't know. And he also has a Eurofighter, and that thing's tight. Check out a couple videos of it. So make sure you guys go over to his page and check out some more videos of that. But that's pretty much going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. Make sure you go subscribe to the podcast channel. If you haven't checked out the podcast channel yet, make sure you go over there. A bunch of funny ass stories. Here's a little snippet from the new podcast we just released.
Look on the camera and see if my head's cut off. Pretty sure it is.
Yeah.
Mic check.
Yeah. I can't get my charger. You're looking crazy.
You're looking pretty nuts right now.
I got it.
Welcome back to another Hello podcast. Thank you guys for tuning back in, liking, and subscribing. We are back with the full team here today again. We got Rob to my right, to my left. We got Kizzy, aka Marquez, aka T-Bath Diablo. And then to his left, we got Juanivo, aka Hello, I'm Hippie. Yeah, we're back with another pod. We might as well give them a refresh of what happened last podcast, huh? So make sure you guys go check that out. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the next video. Doses.